You want to know how I lost the weight from a size 14 to a 10. Is that what you want to hear? Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vymart. How are you doing? My name is Vivian. If this is your first time, welcome. If this is not your first time, hey, how are you doing? I do adult lifestyle and solo travel vlogs on this channel, so if you haven't subscribed, click that button, join the fam and turn your notification on. I know you want to know how I lost the weight from a size 14 to a 10. I know, that's why you came, and I'm going to tell you. But let me show you what I look like today. And the girl is rocking a size 12 outfit. Literally, can you see all the room? I will also tell you how I maintained it in subsequent videos. So let's start with the how. And I want to tell you how I gained weight. And I also want you to be transparent with me and tell me how you gained your weight. So I gained weight because I simply eat as if I'm coming from prison. Yes, does that make any sense to anybody? I eat as if I'm a thief. I see the food on my plate and I feel like I have a responsibility to finish it. Does anybody feel like that? Honestly, if that is you, please drop it in the comment section. I had to go back to my how, because if I don't know how I got here, I will not know how to come out of here. So I want to ask you, now that you know how I gained the weight, you tell me in the comments now, how did you gain the weight? Tell me how you gained the weight, because there's so many stories and I just want to have a filled time interacting with you guys in the comment section. Now that we know my how I gained the weight, shall we talk about why I want to lose weight? I think this was key for me because, like everybody else, I've done all sorts of yo-yo diets. Like, I have done the intermittent fasting, starving, eating just spinach and eggs, drinking smoothie, losing weight under 2 weeks, gaining more after 3 weeks. Oh boy, I've done this for years and years and years. As you can see, I'm a 30-something-year-old living in London. So if you can relate to all these yo-yo diets, please tell me in the comment section. When I did all of that and it didn't work, it got to a point sometime last year in 2021, and I said to myself, I need a motivation for why I want to look the way I want to look. And I realized that losing weight was not a good enough motivation. Now, do you agree that losing weight is not a good enough motivation, and actually your mindset is more important when it comes to keeping fit? Tell me, you just tell me, like, stop and just type now. So when I decided I needed to think about my why, it was quite difficult, but anyway, I got to it. So here's why I wanted to lose weight. I wanted to look this good when I'm 60. I'm 30-something at the moment, and I have a good 2+ decades to get to 60. And I said to myself, if I want to look this good when I'm 60, then I want to work backwards. And immediately I got a mental image of what I might look like at 60, and I started working backwards. Yes, that's what I did. So now, why do you want to lose weight? Because there's no point me telling you everything that I did, and in the end, you are still on the yo-yo problem. So what's that gonna do for you? So I want you to just stop, have a think, and type in the comment section, why do you want to lose weight? Why? Is it because you want to fit into that dress size for a wedding? Just go and buy another dress size. See, clothes are supposed to fit you, not the other way around. That's a conversation for another day, and if you agree, tell me now in the comment section. If you disagree, I want to hear why you disagree. So why I wanted to lose weight became my sole motivation, and that's when I decided I was going to go for a method that would stick. And by the way, are you following me on Instagram? This morning, I talked about one of the things I've done to maintain my weight, and that story is getting a lot of interaction and responses on my Instagram story and in my Instagram feed and the reel that I did. So go and check that video out. It has to do with tennis, just to give you a clue. And my Instagram handle is Vymart. I've asked you 2 questions. How did you gain weight? And why do you want to lose weight? I've told you my story. You tell me in the comment section. And in the next video, I'm going to tell you everything I did, step by step of everything I did to lose the weight to get to where I am now. And I've maintained it for over 18 months. Can you believe that? I need somebody to be clapping for me like this. Thank you all of you that responded to the polls on my Instagram story, on my WhatsApp story, and also on my community, where I asked you guys which videos you wanted to see, and this was the top rated video on that 8 questions that I asked you guys. If you haven't responded or you don't know what that is about, just go to my community tab here now and give your response, because there's 7 other videos and we need your inputs to be able to do it. Share this video to somebody who has been trying to lose weight and has been unsuccessful. And I hope that by telling you how I gained the weight and why I wanted to lose the weight and shift from the goal of just losing weight to a lifestyle of fitness, I've been able to get you thinking differently. I want to read your comments, and in the next video I will share all the tips, everything I know of how I have gone from size 14 to a size 10 and looking this good. Let me show you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.